my name is Francesca. Thanks so much for joining me for another quick marketing tip. Today, let's talk about GA4. So by now, you've probably received an overwhelming number of emails from Google, or if you've logged into your Google Analytics account, you've probably seen a lot of messages that are written in red that seem quite alarming. So to back it up a little bit and give you a little bit of context, Google is retiring the Universal Analytics system that we used to use to have analytics track the activity taking place on your website. They are replacing Universal Analytics, UA, with a new system called GA4. In most instances, Google did go ahead and automatically create a GA4 property for you, but that does need to be installed on your website. Now, if you have a website on our older platform called Samurai, this is likely taken care of for you, but it's worth reaching out to your marketing specialist just to confirm. If you are a Shopify customer, there is an additional step that does need to be taken. Now, your marketing specialist has probably reached out to you about this, or this may be something you're already working on together, but if not, let's walk through this process. So you log into your GA4 property in Google Analytics and just confirm that that data stream is flowing. Go ahead and head over to Shopify, search in the sales channels for the Google and YouTube sales channel app, download that, log in with your Google account, and click connect to the GA4 property. Once that's set, you should be able to resume tracking the activity that's taking place on your website. Now, just as a heads up, the analytic reports that we send you every month may look a little off over the next month or maybe two. If this is a step that you take today, a little bit into July, the report that you receive in August for July's activity may be a little bit skewed, meaning we would not be able to start reporting on data until those steps in Shopify are taken. So just want to make that quick call out in case the numbers seem a little bit lower and you wonder what could be going on. Thanks so much for joining me, and absolutely, if you have any questions about GA4, please feel free to reach out to your marketing specialist and be sure to check back soon. Thanks.